Hi, welcome to Seshu Solutions. Today I'm going to teach you about LCM and GCF. This is the part 2 video for LCM and GCF, okay? We are talking about GCF and LCM. The first example I'm taking here is we will start with some easy numbers 2, 4, 8. In order to find GCF and LCM, first we have to do the prime factorization. For 2, the prime factorization is 2. 4 is nothing but 2 times 2. Okay. For 8, the prime factorization is 2 times 4 and 4 is 2 times 2. GCF is the most common factor from all the three numbers. So here we have only one common factor in all the three numbers 2, 4 and 8, right? So GCF is 2. In order to write LCM, we have to list the prime numbers that are available for all the given numbers 2, 4, 8. In this example, we have only one prime number 2 because all the numbers have the common factor 2. Okay. Check now in which number it is coming more often. Like in 2 we just got 2 only once, but in 4 we got 2 times, and in 8 we got 3 times. Okay, because here in the 8 we have 3 times, right? So we will write LCM as 2 to the power of 3. Okay, because in the 8 we got 2 3 times, we are writing LCM as 2 to the power of 3, or 2 times 2 times 2, which is 8. Okay, coming to the second example, 2, 5 and 12. The prime factorization for 2 is 2. The prime factorization for 5 is 5. For 12, the prime factorization is 12, we can write it as 2 times 6, but 6 is 2 times 3. So 2 times 2 times 3. GCF is the common factor in all the three numbers. Here in this example, we don't have common factor in all the three numbers. If you consider 2, in 5, 2 will not be available, right? So that is the reason greatest common factor is 1, because you don't have a common factor in all the three numbers. GCF is 1. Okay. How you will write LCM? Check what are the prime factors available in all the three numbers. Okay, the prime factors available are 2, 3 and 5, because we have 2, 3 and 5. Okay, we can see only three different numbers. Okay, 3 came only once, 5 once. Check in which number 2 is coming more often. In the first place 2, it came only once time, right? But in 12 we have 2 times. Because in 12 we have 2 times, we can write it as 2 to the power of 2. Okay, so 2 to the power of 2 is nothing but 2 times 2 times 3 times 5, which is 4 times 3 is 12. 12 times 5 is 60. Okay, now coming to the third example, 6, 7 and 9. The prime factorization for 6 is 2 times 3. The prime factorization for 7 is 7. The prime factorization for 9 is 3 and 3. Now, what is GCF? Greatest common factor. The common factor from all the three numbers. Here, we don't have a common factor 2 or 7 or 3 in all the three numbers, right? So that is the reason GCF is 1. Okay, and to find the LCM, first whatever the prime numbers available from 6, 7 and 9, write down 2, 3 and 7, because we have three different prime numbers 2, 3 and 7. Okay, here 2 and 3 are coming only one time, right? But here in 9, 3 is coming 2 times. So here 3 is coming 2 times. That is the most highest power available in this number 6, 7 and 9, right? That is the reason, because 3 is coming more often. You just keep 3 to the power of 2. Okay. Then we can solve it. 2 times 3. 3 to the power of 2 is nothing but 3 times 3 and 7. So 6 times 21, which is 126. LCM is 126. Okay. Coming to the last example, 12, 28 and 48. 12. What is the prime factorization for 12? 2 and 6. 6 again, we can write it as 2 and 3. So 2 times 2 times 3. If you have any doubt in prime factorization, you can watch my previous video related to prime factorization. Okay. Now 28. 28 is nothing but 2 times 14, and 14 is 2 times 7. 2 times 2 times 7. What is 48 now? 48 is nothing but 2 times 24, 2 times 12, 4 times 3. 4 is nothing but 2 and 2. So how many 2's we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 2's and 1 3, right? Okay, listen carefully. What is GCF? GCF is the common factor from all the three numbers. Here the common factor is 2. 2 is available in all the three numbers. So we are writing 1, 2. Okay. Now the common factor, another common factor is 2. Okay. GCF for this number is 2 times 2, which is 4. Okay. How you will write LCM? In order to write the LCM, list all the prime numbers that are available. 2 times 2 times 3 times 7. Okay. But in which number we have more, sorry, we should not repeat it. Just write the list the numbers what we have. 2 times 3 and 7. Okay. 2, 3 and 7 are the prime numbers that are available from the given factors 12, 28 and 48, right? But here in the whole example, in the maximum number that the 3 came is only once, okay? 7 is only one time. But here, if you check the number of 2's in 48, how many 2's we have here? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. The maximum number of 2's came here is 4 times. So we can write 2 to the power of 4. Okay. Or we can write 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 7. Okay. So 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. 8 times 2 is 16. Now 16 times 3 is 48. We have to do 48 times 7. Okay, if you want we can do it here. Okay, 7 times 8 is 56. 5. 7 times 4 is 28. 28 plus 5 is 33. 336. Okay, I hope I gave you a clear idea about LCM and GCF. Okay, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe.